Man, I hope y'all can hear me well. I just chugged... What? Okay. Oh, somebody dying. Oh, Alright. I'm with the boy. We're gonna go do some things that you should not do at home on some public roads. Not public roads, private roads. Get excited. I'm squidding today. I'm gonna try and keep it somewhat chill. It's too hot for me to wear my damn suit right now, so I'm not gonna be pushing it, setting lap times like this guy. He's the fastest R3 in the world, I swear to God. He is also the loudest R3 in the world, I swear to God. This motherfucker's a menace in traffic. I can get this guy on is on the straights, but this guy is so fast in the turns. Was that a cop? Was that a cop? Look back at me, come on. I'm not in my suit, I'm not trying to go crazy. Bro, let me through. Don't fucking do that to me, come on! You gotta know I want to get through. Where are we going? Oh, are we going to Lime Creek right now?
Did you not want to go right now?
No, I am. I just thought you were gonna do a full up and down, so I wasn't sure. Alright, dude, after you weave through all of those cars, they all tightened up, so I fucking couldn't get through. That shit sucked. This guy is chill as hell, though. I want to catch up to my new friend up there. Yep. I wanted to talk to him, but he wanted to talk to Nico because Nico looks cooler. That's fucked up. But we're all going to Lime Creek now. That's very exciting. That is a fucking cop if I've ever... That is a fed of all feds. That's the goddamn Fetty man. Alright, we're gonna be in a lot of traffic getting there, so I'm gonna turn this off. I'll see you in a minute, fellas. We've arrived at where we're going. Unfortunately for the world, I'm not gonna get as silly as I would like to on this road due to my lack of gear. I'm gonna be stupid, not retarded. That guy was kind. Whoa, the wind pushed me over. Okay. Insane warning. That guy would have gotten me for sure. What was that foot drag, dude? Dude, what the fuck was all that shit you were doing with your foot on those turns?
What do you mean?
You were touching the road before you fully went lean.
I'm trying to develop a brake leg.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
There's no point, but it looks really cool.
Don't buy anything from inside or need gas.
Yeah, why?
Go to QT and get something to drink.
Yeah, wait, what happened?
We're basically protesting this place.
Alright, I'm down to do it, but why?
They started threatening to trespass people.
Oh, what the fuck? Dude. Gang, I'm tired. I'm tired as shit. Alright, I'd love to record for nonsense and nonsense only, but nothing really is gonna happen, and I'm stuck behind these cars. And also, I'm gonna cut this bit entirely so no one's ever gonna hear me say these words except me later on my own computer. So, goodbye.